Question 18. A floor measuring 10.5 meters by 6 meters is to be covered with 30 centimeter square tiles. We'll find the number of tiles, then the costs. Part A. How many tiles for one floor? We work in centimeters to match the tile size. The floor is 10.5 meters, that's 1,050 centimeters, by 600 centimeters, giving an area of 630,000 square centimeters. Each tile is 30 by 30, which is 900 square centimeters. Dividing 630,000 over 900 gives 700 tiles. Part B, first. The cost of tiles for 15 such rooms. 15 rooms need 700 times 15, which is 10,500 tiles. Tiles come in cartons of 20, so we need 10,500 over 20, which is 525 cartons. At 800 shillings a carton, that's 420,000 shillings. Part B, second. The selling price per carton for a 12.5% profit. On top of the tiles, the dealer spends 2,000 on transport and 600 on subsistence. 2,600 extra. So the total cost is 420,000 plus 2,600, which is 422,600. Adding 12.5% profit by multiplying by 1.125 gives 475,425. Dividing by the 525 cartons gives about 906 shillings each. To summarize, 700 tiles per floor, 420,000 shillings for 15 rooms of tiles, and a selling price of about 906 shillings per carton. Well done. That's question 18 complete.